Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys iqoo setting, and today video title is guys face lock setting, how to use. Friends, you want to use iqoo face lock setting, you want to start face lock, you want to set up face lock in iqoo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to set up face lock, how to use face lock setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here and open your phone security setting. After turning on your phone security setting, friends, scroll down here, open your phone face lock setting. And friends, face lock plus pattern, face lock plus pin, and face lock plus password you will have to use. And you don't have your lock screen password, so first you will have to set lock screen password. Select your password type: face lock unlock plus pattern, face lock unlock plus pin, face unlock plus password. Friends, I will use face unlock plus password. And friends, I will set my name password. And friends, remember your password. If you forget your password, you cannot unlock iqoo. You will have to factory reset if you forget your password. Next, done option, click here. Click here, friends, start option. Show your face and you can start face lock. You can use face lock setting in iqoo mobile. After show face, friends, you can see face lock will set up. Face lock will start in iqoo mobile and you can unlock your iqoo mobile with face lock setting. Off your screen, show your face on lock screen, phone will unlock automatic, friends. So like that friends, you can use face lock setting, you can unlock iqoo mobile with face lock with password. Now friends, swipe here, don't show your face, enter password. You can unlock iqoo mobile with password and you can unlock iqoo mobile with face lock also. So like that way you can start face lock, you can use face lock in iqoo mobile. Open your phone security setting again. Open your phone screen lock setting. Enter password and you want to change password, so then you can change password. You can set new password and you can unlock your mobile with face lock plus pattern. You want to unlock your iqoo with face lock plus pin, so you can set pin lock password also. And friends, by mistake if you remove your lock screen password, so friends, you can check your face lock will delete automatic if you turn off, if you remove your lock screen password. Click here remove option. Friends, you can check lock screen password will remove, face lock will delete automatic. If you off your screen, you want to unlock iqoo mobile, you can unlock iqoo mobile without password, without face lock. Swipe your phone will unlock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.